In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate high-resolution images in Midjourney. First, open Midjourney in your browser and sign into your account. You'll land on the Explore area, which showcases recent and popular creations. This is a good place to get a sense of styles and prompts, but our goal today is to produce a sharper, higher-resolution result from your own work. From here, click Create. This takes you into the main workspace where you can work with images. If you've already generated something earlier, you'll see your recent outputs. If you're starting fresh, this is also where you'll generate a new image. Keep in mind that a clear descriptive prompt sets you up for better upscaling later. Include subject style, lighting, and any key visual details you care about. The better the foundation, the better the high-res result. Next, either select an image you've already generated or create a new one and let it complete. When you click into an image, you'll enter its detail view with tools specific to that job. This is where we access the features that boost resolution without losing the overall look and feel of your original concept. Once your image is open, look for the upscale controls. You'll see two primary options designed to improve image quality: upscale subtle and upscale creative. Both increase resolution and refine details, but they behave a little differently. Subtle focuses on preserving the original composition and texture while cleaning edges and enhancing clarity. It's a great choice when you want the same image, just larger, crisper, and more polished. Creative, on the other hand, adds extra detail and texture and may slightly reinterpret fine elements. Use it when you want more vivid micro details, richer patterns, and a touch of additional artistry. Choose the option that best fits your intent. If you're working with realistic portraits, product shots, or anything where accuracy is critical, start with subtle. If your scene is stylized, think fantasy environments, intricate architecture, or painterly illustrations, try creative to amplify depth and complexity. After you click an upscale, give it a moment to process. When it's done, view the image at 100% to judge the improvement. Look closely at hair, fabric, foliage, and other texture-heavy areas. If the result is too conservative, run creative. If it's a bit too embellished, switch to subtle for a cleaner finish. That's all there is to it. Go to Midjourney, click Create, open or generate your image, and use upscale, subtle, or creative to produce a high-resolution version that's ready for your next project.